Hey YouTube, it's ECP with a quick unboxing. I got a special gift in the mail from Blackwater Bee. Yep, the Blackwater Bee Ranch down in Georgia has sent me a special gift. I went on this morning, looked at his website, and man, Al Brown is the gentleman that runs and owns Blackwater Bee. And I'll tell you what, he's got everything under the sun on that website. It's not just bee stuff. He has got everything you can possibly imagine. You need to check it out. If you're a gardener or you just like to do some little backyard pots, he's got all different kinds of seeds. He's got infused honey. Too many things to mention, but just go over to here. I'll leave the link in the description and check out blackwaterbee.com. He's got some phenomenal things. But let's get to this unboxing and let's see what he sent. ECP. And I've already opened the box. And let's see the first thing we've got here. Oh, wow. You got it. Hot habanero pepper honey. Yep. Infused honey. This is going to be great. Can you imagine what that's going to be like on some ribs you're smoking in the smoker? You got it. My son-in-law and my son are going to love trying this when I come visit and they're running their smoker. So that's the first and foremost thing that Al Brown sent me. Thank you so much, Al. Next, we've got another item staying with the same theme. And wow, habanero honey mango hot sauce. Woo! Man, oh man, check it out. Blackwater Bee Ranch has hooked ECP up with some hot sauce and some infused honey now. Phenomenal. Thank you so much, Al. And next, you got it. Stoned Hound. What is this? Certified organic Georgia-grown catnip with anise extract formulated just for dogs. So Milo got something from Al Brown. Check it out. Safe, natural, and effective. Mood enhancer, relieves stress from vet visits, grooming, and thunderstorms. So we're going to check out the Stoned Hound. I think he's got a little letter here. We're going to have to, let's see exactly what Al says in the letter he sent me. Let me read this out because he might tell me how to use that. I've never used a dog nip before. So it says, Merry Christmas, my friend. I've enclosed a few goodies for you and Mrs. ECP as well as Milo. Wow, Stoned Hound for Milo. It's all natural catnip with anise and peppermint leaves. Have a Merry Christmas. Thanks for all your business. Al and Rita Lynn Brown, Blackwater Bee Ranch. And then he signs it. Wow, what a neat Christmas gift. Al, you are phenomenal. And one of my best honeybees, queen honeybees, comes from Al Brown at Blackwater Ranch and Bees. And here's the last thing in here. Oh, he knows how ECP likes his pizza. Red Island herbs and spices pizza seasonings. Wow, this would be great. It says the special blend of herbs and spices makes the best pizza seasoning you will find. It is also great on pasta dishes, on chicken, and in dips. So wow, Red Island herbs and spices. ECP got hooked up for the holidays. I'm going to have several good things here to try out. So hey, thank you so much, Al Brown. You guys, I'll put a link down in the description. Check out blackwaterbee.com. Tell him Al sent you. Tell him Chris sent you. Tell Al that Chris sent you. Oh, I'm getting tongue-tied here. Yeah, tell Al that Chris sent you, ECP, and how much you appreciate him sponsoring us. So, hey, thanks so much, ECP. Over and out.